Uthi uJoshua kulabantu baka-Israyeli,
Joshua says to these people of Israel,
niyabona ukuthi sikuphi manje?
can you see where we are now?
Niyamkhumbula uNkulunkulu endluliso olwandle olubomvu?
Do you remember the Lord carrying you through the Red Sea?
Uthi niyamkhumbula uNkulunkulu enilwela izimpi ehlanu?
Do you remember this God fighting wars in
Niyamkhumbula
the wilderness?
uNkulunkulu ewisimana ukuthi nidle?
Do you remember God blessing us with manna that we may eat?
Niyamkhumbula uNkulunkulu ekhipha amanzi edwaleni?
Do you remember God taking out water from the
So
rock?
before a covenant is renewed,
Ngaphambi kokuthi kuvuselelwe isivumelwano,
Israel, remember
Israel khumbula
what the Lord your God has done.
ukuthi uNkulunkulu wenu wenzeni.
Because I am putting a choice before you with
Ngibeka ke ukukhetha phambi kwenu manje
the information
ngolwazi
of the good things the Lord has done.
ezinto ezinhle inkosi
Says,
ezenzile.
I want you to choose.
Uthi ngifuna ukuthi
Haya.
ukhethe.
I want you to make a choice.
Ngifuna ukuthi wenze isinqumo.
Make a choice now.
Khetha manje. Elama Santa.
If it is evil to you
Uma kukubi kuwe
to continue serving the Lord your God,
ukuthi uqhubeke usebenzele uNkulunkulu
who
wakho
took you out of Egypt,
okwanikhipha eGibhithe,
decide now.
khetha manje.
Who are you going to serve?
Ubani ozomsebenzela? Elama Santa.
If it's undesirable
Uma kungafuneki noma kungenasifiso kuwe
for you to continue serving God,
ukuthi uqhubeke usebenzele uNkulunkulu,
decide now.
yenza isinqumo manje.
Who are you going to serve?
Uzosebenzela bani?
Now.
Yenza manje.